Good morning and Jai Hind students. As you have studied about the different properties of integer, now today I am having some problem of your exercise 1.3. So let us do the problem. You see it carefully and understand how it is. Now see the first question. Here it is written, find the product using suitable property. So you have studied how many property? 4 property, that is closure property, commutative property, distributive property and associative property. So out of that, one property you have to use in these questions, problems. So let us see which property will applicable here. Okay, here what is written? Minus 41 multiplied by 102. So don't direct multiply. If it is written property, so you should use the property. So how to do, just see. Minus 41 we can write this way, minus 41 multiply by, and 102 we can write 100 plus 2, this way, that is 102. Now using distributive property, open the bracket, that will become minus 41 multiply by 100 plus, okay, now minus 41 multiply by 2. Which property used here? Distributive property. Distributive property. Okay. Now see, 100 we are multiplying, so simple, you are getting the answer minus 4100. And see here, plus minus, and here you are multiplying with 2. Okay, so it is plus and it is minus, so your answer will come in minus. So plus in the bracket, 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8, that is minus 82. Now open it, put the sign equal every time. Okay, so open it, minus 41 00 and minus and plus, again it will become minus 82. Okay, now students, both sign is minus. Okay, it is not multiplication, it is both sign, it is addition, means you are adding minus 82 this minus 4100. Okay, now so if both sign is minus, so in answer also put the sign minus and add both. So what you are getting? 20814. So this is your answer. So this way, how easily you have done this question by using distributive property. Okay, now I think you understand this. Now second question, come to the second question. It is written 8 multiplied by 53 multiplied by minus 125. Now see here, here it is written minus 1. You have to use property. So think which property you will use so that your solution will become very easy. So if you multiply this, you will not get the easy solution. You have to multiply this with 8. So first what you do, this minus 125 and 8 multiply first, change the order. So that is equal to 8 multiplied by minus 125 multiplied by 53. What you have done? You change the order. Okay, now when you multiply minus 125 with 8, what answer you are getting? 8 5s are 40, 0, carry 4, 8 2 is 16, and 4 20, 0, carry 2, 8 1 is 8 and 2, and since it is minus, so minus into, now see how easily you have done this, that is minus 53000. Okay, now which property you have used here, beta? Just see, you change the order. So when you are changing the order, in which property you are changing the order? That is commutative property. Which property? Commutative property. So here you use commutative property, so your solution becomes so easy. Now come to this question. Okay, here also you are having some multiplication. So how to do so that it will become so easy? Now see, 15 multiply, see, when you multiply 15 with 25, so you have to do the long multiplication. So see here, when you multiply these two first, minus 25 into minus 100, both is minus, so answer will come in plus. Okay, now minus 25 4s are 25 4s are 100. Okay, now here it is minus 10. Now so simple, 100 multiplied by 15, how much it is? 1500 multiplied by minus 10. Now minus and plus, what answer you will get here? Minus and 15000. Now your answer is 15,000. minus 15,000. So here you have not changed the order. What you've done, you changed the grouping. Instead of multiplying 15 with minus 25, you group the 25 and 4. So which property used here? Associative property. So using different property, your solution becomes so easy. Okay, student? Okay, now see, this is the other question. Minus 57 multiplied by minus 19 plus 57. So here see, here minus 57, don't see the sign, only see the number 57 and 57. Both is common here. Okay, so what you do here, nothing is there. Here multiplied by minus 19, but here nothing is there. So first you rearrange it like this. Minus 57 multiplied by minus 19 plus 57 multiplied by 1. Okay, now see, 57 multiplied by 1, when you multiply by 1 you will get the same answer, 57. Okay, now either you take outside minus 57 or 57, any you take. Suppose here minus 57 I am taking, both is common 57, so I am taking minus 57 common, and in the bracket what is left here? Minus 19. Okay, now students, since it is positive, but we have taken minus 57, it is positive, we have taken minus. So to make it positive, here instead of writing plus, we write minus 1. Okay, why? Because we want here positive, so minus and minus will become plus. So when different signs or numbers are there, suppose one sign you are taking minus, so you have to change here sign. Here plus you write, but instead of 1 you write here minus 1. Okay, now minus 57 multiplied by minus 19 minus 1, how much? Minus 19 minus 1. So that is minus 57 multiplied by minus 20. Your both is minus, so answer will come in positive. So 0, 7 to the 14, carry 1, 5 to the 10, and 1, 11. So this way you are getting the answer. So keep it in the mind. If numbers are, integers are same, okay, 57, 57, only sign is different. So if you are taking outside minus sign here, so you have to write here minus instead of plus. But if you are taking, suppose you will take 57 only here, so what you have written here? Minus. So instead of minus 19, you have to write here plus 19. You have to change the sign inside the bracket. Okay, now this you have done using distributive property. Which property? Distributive property. So students, I think you understand how to solve the questions related with properties. Okay, now some problem. Just see the problems. First see the problem. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Okay, now this question is from your NCERT book, maths book. Now see how to do its solution. So freezing point require that room temperature be lowered. Okay, so what is the current room temperature? Current room temperature equal to 40 degree Celsius. Okay, now it decreasing at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour, means in 1 hour it decreasing 5 degrees Celsius. So after 10 hours how much it will decrease? So write temperature decrease after 10 hours. Okay, so how much? That is 5 multiplied by 10, that is 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 50 degree temperature decreasing. So what is the our room temperature after 10 hours? So what you do? Minus room temperature after 10 hours. Okay, so in 10 hours how much decreasing? 50 degrees Celsius. So what is after 10 hours? 40 degree Celsius minus 50 degree Celsius. So what is, since 40 is positive, this is negative, and negative integer is greater, having greater value. So what you do? From 50 subtract the 40. Okay, and answer is come in minus 10 degree Celsius. So this is your answer. Okay, now this question. Just see this question. In a class test containing 10 questions. How many questions? 10 questions. 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. Means for one correct answer, 5 marks. And minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer. And 0 for question not attempted. So you have to do the questions. 3 questions are here. First is Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answer. What is his score? So how to do the solution? Just see. Mohan gets 4 correct. So for 1 correct, how many marks? 5 marks. So for 4 correct answer, how many marks? Marks for 4 correct answer. How much? 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20. Okay. And 6 incorrect. 6 incorrect. So how many marks are negative marks? Marks for incorrect answer. How much? See, 6 multiplied by, for 1 minus 2. So for 6 minus multiply, that is minus 12 marks. Okay. Now what is his score? Now his total score. Add total. Add both. 20 plus minus 12. That will become 20 minus 12. What is the answer? 8 marks. So your answer is 8 marks. First what you do? Write the marks for correct answer. Then write the marks for incorrect answer. And then add both. You will get the answer. That is 8 marks. So same way, second one. Reshma gets 5 correct. So marks for solution. How you do? I think you understand now. You can do yourself. Marks for 5 correct answer. Five multiplied by 5, that is 25. And 5 incorrect. So marks for marks for 5 incorrect answer. Incorrect answer. That is 5 multiplied by minus 2, that is minus 10. Now what is her score? As I have done the first one, write total score. Total score equal to 25 plus minus 10, that is 25 minus 10, that is 15 marks. Okay. Now third one given. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answer. Out of 7 questions she attempted. What is her score? So 2 correct. Again same way you have to do. Marks for 2 correct answer equal to 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10, and 5 incorrect. Marks for 5 incorrect answer that is 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10. Now total 10 plus minus 10 means 10 minus 10 means 0 marks. How much? 0 marks. So this is the answer. So students, some problem I have explained today, I think you understand. So all these problems with solution you have to note down in your classwork notebook. Okay, thanks.